Hello everyone, welcome to Gosport Railworks. My name is James and today we're doing another DCC tutorial. This one being the Dapol LMS Ivatt tank engine, which is it's a fairly old model now, but it's very easy to DCC. The DCC chip which I'm using is a Zimo. Just look it up again. It is the MX616F, which is a 6-pin. Well, I say 6-pin. I've already cut two of them off. It's normally a 6-pin decoder with wires and also a socket, but as you can tell I've already removed two of the wires and also the socket at the end because we don't need them, because all we need is access to the two wires which go to the pickups and the two wires which go to the motor. So I've already prepped that already. And first things first, we need to do is remove the body from the Ivatt. So we remove the back buggy wheel, whatever it's called, the pony truck, that's one, or trailer one, can never remember, but either way, but that reveals the screw at the back. So we just move that a bit more. There we go. So that's one of the screws, and the other one is this one, just neatly between the brake rodding. Be a bit careful because it is delicate underneath there, and that's all the screws we need to remove. And I have found it easier to remove the front first, very carefully. Or was it the back first? I think it was the front first. I'll find out in a minute. There we go. It is fairly on tight, so there we go. And yeah, that's the inside of the Ivatt tank engine. And all the bits which we need to worry about are just this bit at the back. So I'm just going to zoom in. Right, here we have the capacitor, which is for TV interference. Basically so it doesn't interfere with any TVs, or TVs don't interfere with this. It's mainly for the old TVs, so to be honest we don't actually need it. And we have two resistors. Definitely no they're resistors this time because they look like resistors, and to be honest we don't really need them because all they're doing is I think it's regulating or something like that. It's basically just reducing the amount of power going from the axles straight into the motor, but we've basically got the chip doing that instead now. So what we need to do is basically unsolder these two chips and then solder everything back in, and we've got all these nice just make sure it's inside. All these nice wires, making it fairly easy to chip this loco. And yeah, that's pretty much it really. I will be tidying things up using some heat shrink. So I'll just get some spare heat shrink. Let's pop that over here. And hopefully the soldering irons are warmed up now. Right, that took a bit longer than I actually planned for, so yeah, I did speed up that section a bit up. But yeah, it's pretty much all done. The grey wire is connected to the motor, so it's the orange wire, and red and black are connected to the pickups, and now it's just putting it all back together. So yeah, I'm going to do that and then get it onto layout, and so yeah, I'll see you in a sec. Right, here we are with the Ivatt tank engine on the layout, and I figured I'd give it the nice long run of the countryside. And I've also got the 4F just to show that this is DCC fitted. And yeah, I've already got it set to the default 3. So yeah, let's have a go at it. Make sure, yep, it is going the right way. And I say that's a rather successful conversion. Seems rather responsive as well. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Does stall still, but not too sure if that's my track or the engine not being all that happy with going this slow. So yeah, I'm not going to be able to do slow speeds with it. It's probably my track really, but I haven't given it a proper good clean for a little while, but give it a bit of oomph and it does seem to get itself moving. And just to show you that the 4F isn't just sat there, it's going the wrong way. Yep, so I'm quite happy with how things have turned out. So yeah, that's how you DCC the old Dapol Ivatt tank engine. I don't know if they'll bring out a new one, but if they do, I'll show you how to DCC that, and it's probably going to be the same mechanism, but yeah, that's how you DCC it, and it's not really all that hard. I'm going to see. You may or may not need that capacitor. That may be what's interfering with things, but so far it doesn't seem to be doing anything. So yeah, I'll have a test of that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you again next time. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you want to. If not, hope you have a nice day anyway. So yeah, I'll see you again next time, and I'm just going to send the tank engine on its way. There we go. See you again next time. Bye bye now.